Do you ever wonder why some people start scrubbing the floor when they're stressed? Or why decluttering can feel like therapy? Well, it turns out cleaning and trauma have a surprising connection, and it's deeper than you think. So stay tuned as we dive into the psychology behind why cleaning helps us heal and how it gives us a sense of control and what it reveals about our mental health. At first glance, cleaning seems like just another chore, something we do because we have to. But if you were ever felt a sense of relief after organizing a messy room, you've already experienced how cleaning can impact your mental state. Psychologists say that cleaning engages both our mind and body in a way that helps regulate emotions. When you're scrubbing, dusting, or decluttering, we're activating that part of the brain that craves order and control. And for someone who has experienced trauma, that's a huge deal. Trauma can make you feel chaotic and unpredictable. It disrupts our sense of safety. But cleaning is predictable. It's clear rule, clear outcomes, and best of all, it's something we can control. In a world that feels uncertain, wiping down a table and knowing it will be clean afterwards is incredibly reassuring. But it is not just about control. Cleaning can also be a way of processing emotions. Have you ever had a moment where you're feeling overwhelmed? So you just started cleaning. Maybe after a stressful day, you suddenly had an urge to do laundry or organize your closet. That's because cleaning gives your brain a way to work through emotions without having to sit through them. When you're sweeping or folding clothes, your hands are busy, but your mind is free to wander. And sometimes that's quiet space allows us to process things we've been avoiding. Some therapists even encourage people who are struggling with grief and anxiety and past trauma to engage in repetitive physical tasks like washing dishes or vacuum cleaning. These actions create a rhythm, a meditative state that can help you calm the nervous system and reduce the feelings of distress. It's why so many people find that after a good cleaning session, they feel emotionally lighter, like they just dusted off more than furniture. Now, let's talk about clutter. For some people, trauma doesn't just live in the mind. It's a manifest in your physical environment. When life feels overwhelming, keeping up with your housework can become impossible. Dishes pile up, clothes stack up on chairs, and before you know it, your space starts reflecting the chaos in your mind. Studies show that clutter environments can increase stress and anxiety. When you're surrounded by mess, our brain interprets it's unfinished business and keeping us in a state of mental overload. But here's the good news. Declutter can be a way to reclaim not just your space, but your sense of self. When you let go of things you no longer need, you're also practicing letting go of emotional baggage. Every drawer you organize, every old item you donate, it's like telling your brain, I am making space for something new. This is why you'll often hear people talk about deep emotion release they feel after cleaning out all their closets and reorganizing their home. It's not just about stuff. It's about what stuff represents. Beyond the psychological benefits, cleaning can also be an act of love. Think about it. When we take time to clean, we're initially taking care of ourselves. We're creating a space that feels good to exist in. And for those who have experienced trauma, that is a radical act of self-love. For many, trauma makes them feel powerless, like they don't have control over their own life. But cleaning is proof that you do have control. You have the power to create order in your own environment, to take care of the space, to make decisions about what stays and what goes. It is a small way to remind yourself you are in charge of your surroundings. And the best part, you don't need to clean your entire house to feel the effects. Even something as simple as making your bed in the morning is going to start your day with intention. Now, while cleaning can be incredibly therapeutic, it's important to mention that it can also become a coping mechanism, sometimes even an unhealthy one. For some people, cleaning becomes a way to avoid emotions rather than process them. Instead of facing difficult feelings, they distract themselves by scrubbing, organizing, perfecting their space. If you find yourself feeling anxious when things aren't perfectly clean, or you just feel like you have to clean in order to feel okay, it might be worth exploring whether cleaning has become a way to cope with underlying emotions. Like everything in life, this is a key. Cleaning should be something that helps you, not something that controls you. So what's the takeaway? Cleaning isn't just about having a tidy home. It's about reclaiming control, processing emotions, and creating a space that supports your well-being. Whether you're someone who cleans to clear your mind or someone who struggles with keeping up, know this: your relationship with your space is deeply connected to your mental health. And if you ever find yourself reaching for a broom when life feels overwhelming, know that you're not alone. Sometimes the act of cleaning is more than just a task. It's a form of healing. If you found this video helpful and eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button to let us know. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, and share this video with someone who might need to hear this message. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it clean and have a blessed day.